Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ng anak mo
Happy
bukas.
birthday to
Birthday na
you.
ni Tito. Ano ba nakasabi mo sa kanya?
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ano? Ano daw ang
Birthday
pangay
to
action dyan?
you.
Sabi
Happy
ni Tita Daddy
birthday
ng
to
birthday
you.
good night daw.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Yan
happy
tuloy, yan tuloy.
birthday to
Ano masasabi mo
you.
sa kanya?
Happy birthday to
Di ba,
you.
Alison?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yung ano yung may...
Birthday
Ah,
to you.
balloon na.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Bating ka na naman eh. Oh, sa anong birthday, ano mo?
To
Greeting.
my beloved po, Chong.
Butya, anong wish
Good
mo?
night, love you, Mama Chok Chok.
Yung nagbe-birthday greetings tayo, tapos yung ginagawa, guys, kunin mo yan! Dali! Ulit.
Butya, anong wish mo?
Dampig eh.
Dali na, ulit na.
Butya, anong wish mo? Madaming pera?
Siyempre, 2 joints. Ah. 2 joints, tapos... Ang cute mo, bilisan mo na.
To my kuya po, Chong. Happy, happy, happy. Ah.
Ano, hindi yung
Happy birthday, Mama Chok Chok.
Oh, ikaw, Chong, ano sabi mo? Chong! Ano sabi mo? Birthday ni Kuya bukas. Birthday to you. Birthday.
Birthday, kuya. Happy birthday, kuya.
Ikaw, Kuya. Kuya, birthday na ni Puchong bukas. What will you message to your brother? Baby brother. Hi!
I've been searching my whole life to find
Sana magkapera na kami, tapos Butya, happy birthday. Sana hindi ka na maging mag-discount.
Ikaw, Chong, anong birthday wish mo sa sarili mo? Sa ako. So this is me telling you that I am the mother of the birthday celebrant tomorrow, and this is my wish for my son, beloved son, Puchong. Happy birthday, Puchong. Napakasaya ko kasi birthday mo bukas. Ayun lang, wala tayong panghanda, kaya sana magkapera tayo bukas. Okay? Sobrang saya ko. Okay, ano mo? Ano masasabi mo? Thank you. Okay, bye.